Hi, welcome to Wilson Grant Podiatry. We have two clinics based in Muirhead and Cumbernauld in North Lanarkshire. My name's Stephanie and I'm the business owner and one of 3 podiatrists that work here at the clinic. Our clinics have free parking and are easily accessible from the M80, M8 and M73 motorways on the outskirts of Glasgow. People attend our clinics with various foot concerns which generally involve foot or lower limb pain. We introduced our RS foot scan technology in April 2019 as part of our business expansion. Our state-of-the-art treatment rooms are welcoming, modern and spacious, which enables us to carry out detailed gait analysis assessments of people walking and running over the gait plate. We use the scanner to record standing and walking peak pressures, which provides us with a more accurate reading with the help of its 4000 high-speed sensors, something that we can't see with the naked eye. The information from our scan can be used in our software to then prescribe custom-made FITS 3D printed orthotics. The FITS orthotics are unique as the device prescription is produced electronically with our software rather than a static impression of the foot. This means the insole is accurate and the process is streamlined, with the prescription sent straight to the lab for manufacturing. This is the best we've used in clinical practice. The orthotics take 10 working days to be produced and are sent back to us in a nice presentation box ready for fitting. FITS orthotics can be used for many foot and lower limb conditions. We can provide FITS as part of a treatment plan to offload high risk areas of the foot, which is important with patients who have diabetes or other high risk medical conditions that affect their feet. We also commonly see athletes such as runners, cyclists, footballers and golfers who have all been treated successfully with FITS orthotics to prevent injury and improve performance. Another reason why FITS are unique is that our top covers can be made from the material D3O, which provides the best shock absorption available. If you're interested in an assessment or would like further information, please call our reception team on 0141 779 9264 or email info@wilsongrantpodiatry.co.uk.